Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about the difference between append and extend in Python. You can use Python shell, but here I am going to use the Jupyter notebook. Okay, you know append and extend are the list method. Okay, first of all I am going to tell about what is append. Here you can see I have created two lists L1 and L2. In L1 it contains 1, 2, 3. These are the elements in L1, and L2 contain 11, 12, 13. These are the elements in list L2. Okay, next I'm going to append the integer 4 to the list L1. Next I am going to print the updated list L1. This is our output 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is appended at the end of the list. You can see here. And next I am going to append the list L2 to our list L1. Then I am going to print the list L1. Already it contains, in L1 it contains 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I am going to show you the updated list L1 1, 2, 3, 4 and the entire list L2 at the end of the list L1. Okay, next I am going to append the string hi to the list L1. Then I am going to print the updated list L1. You can see at the end the entire string hi at the end of the list L1. That means append adds its argument as a single element. You can say it's a single element, and this is a single element at the end of the list. This is append. Next I am going to show you what is extend. And here I created two lists L1, L2. L1 contains 1, 2, 3 and L2 it contains 11, 12, 13. Okay, next I am going to extend the list L2 to L1. The syntax for extend is the L1 dot extend L2. Then I am going to print the updated list L1 1, 2, 3. This is our old list L1, and at the end 11, 12, 13. Okay, now I am going to add the string variable a to the list L1. Then print L1 updated list L1. You can see at the end it adds the string variable a. Then I am going to extend the string hi to the list L1. Then print the updated list L1. You can see the difference. Each ai not as a single string, it adding each element. Extend iterate over its argument hi hai. Similarly L2 11, 12, 13. Similarly here you can see 11, 12, 13. It iterate over its argument adding each element to the end of the list, that is extending the list. Okay, then I am going to add the integer number 4 to L1, then print L1. There is an error, that means it is not an iteratable, because we can pass in extend method, we can pass only the iteratable object. Okay, like high string variables. Okay, like a string, like a list, an iteratable object, only we can pass or iteratable object to extend method. This is the difference between append and extend. Hope you guys get what is append and extend. If you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you.